It is 636J here. We're here with Josh on 2 wheels, and Jake. Deuces, bro. Jake's somewhere down there. You watch him do a fucking wheelie as he comes back past. Watch.
This is what you can do.
This is a little bit of a vlog. We're just out and about. We're chilling. I've had to restart this because, yeah, I'm not going to go into any more detail about that. There he is. Woo! Did you hear the robot noise that come past?
We are on the side of a single carriageway.
Doing not illegal stuff. Bro's like chilling. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Let's get the shot, boys, let's get the shot, let's get the Get out! Get out!
Loops.
Fuck off, bro! Fuck's sake. Right,
I'm in
how we
control
going?
of my two-wheel motor quadricycle.
A motor quadricycle? Ah! What the fuck is it?
That's a pizza with 4 cheeses on, isn't it?
Right, let's go.
I fucking knew he was gonna do that. I just fucking just looked at him. He's fucking doing it. Should we go?
Oh, that's all right.
Oh, I can't get out from here. I can't get out.
It's not one at some point.
It's the highway call, girl.
There is people down here, bro.
Is that?
Go them. Invite them. Give them the YouTube tag.
Give them the YouTube name.
It's 636J. Oh, is it? Wait a minute. Give them the OnlyFans. It's 636J.
Yes, boys. Thank you. Thank you very much.
636.
How's good view this is, bro?
Hot as fuck.
Oh.
Send it.
That would be illegal. Oh. There's no catch-ups in second, boys.
we were going like 4 miles an hour. You're just sticking a bit of
Hello, good sir. Doing like the waves. How'd you do it?
Left or right, Jake, it's your pick. Roy wave, Roy wave, Roy wave. Roy tag cancelled. Bro, take some mad rollers of me, ready? Take some mad rollers of me.
Go on.
Let's get a look at the camera, Josh. That's it.
What are we doing sport bike rules today, are we? So, no, actually, I'm being deadly serious, right? What fucking happened this evening? Don't be...
You say I'm fuel legge.
What? Fuck's sake, bro.
So, we went to the UK's only desert to do some wheelies.
Yeah.
Out interference from locals or the constabulary. And
The local constabulary.
They said, we caught you on CCTV. I was just munching a fucking Freddo, by the way. I was happy there, munching a Freddo, sat on my bike, and they come along in their little Skoda, and he's just like, no wheelies here, son. So we've travelled 20 plus miles to the UK's only desert, where no one lives, and we still got told off for doing wheelies.
And, yeah, so, I agree. I agree with that one. And the locals, no, I mean, don't be social bastards.
You were here yesterday at the same time, get a job.
Hello.
Ooh, Daddy, I'm gonna come.
Oh my god.
Did Jake send out with me? Oh, okay. Cut that one again.
Yeah, go on again. Yeah! Yeah, boy! I like it! Woohoo! Yeah!
I want that clip, bro. I want that clip. I want that clip.
Always, bro, always. No issues, G, no issues.
So far, one picture of me videoing.
Ah, we got a clip, bro, we got a clip, alright? We're good, we're good. We're good, G, we got it. Yes! Yes!
Josh, we didn't get their numbers. Always time.
She fucking loved that, bro. The whole family was fucking bouncing.
Yeah, boy!
Really hope I impressed them. I'd quite like to get in their underwear.
Sake!
I can't pull that pole head. You know.
Oh, spraying me, bro, with screen wash, you mother...
Bro's not having a good day with fucking thing.
First I get sprayed with fucking monster from you.
Jesus Christ, bro, that's some fucking stinking marijuana. Woo!
Maybe do it again, bitch.
Fuck off. You can fucking do it.
I'll fucking do it.
I will fucking wreck us both.
Wait, it's content, it's content, it's content.
I will wreck...
You can wreck me anytime you want.
Don't you fucking dare.
I am fucking...
Bro, don't... Bro, not on the GoPro, G. Not on the GoPro. Bro, don't you fucking dare. Bro,
it's like a flare, bro. It's like a literal flare.
Fuck off.
Bro, backed off real quick. The road.
There! Oh no, they're
We're on the
closed.
wrong side
That's
of the
open,
road.
that's open, that's open!
Oh, please turn around.
No, there.
There.
Sorry, that's such a narrow little fucking gap, though.
Oh, you bugger! Tell to pick it up, bro.
Charge, broski. I don't know how far I can do this, so this is going to be the sketchy moment here, innit?
You get down the hill. Bro, he looks so confused.
Bro, I was like, what the fuck are you doing, G?
Anyone missing a red CBR, some cunt fucking...
Oh.
What the fuck? Are you sat on the tank? Oh my god.
We're chilling, bro, we're chilling. Yeah, I can't do it now! Oh, a wheelie, yeah, well, I'm sat on the tank, bro. Bear with me. Let me just... I'll clutch up right now for you.
Right into the bend, literally. I don't know if that was the smartest decision, Dale. Chat, is this real?
Chat, is this real? Chat? Hi! Okay.
She did way back.
Yeah, I know she did, yeah.
Would you clean my willy instead?
Oh my god.
It's really dirty, Josh.
Someone is smoking the
Yeah,
ganja.
dirty.
Someone is smoking the devil's lettuce.
Kawasaki green, if you know what I mean.
Well, that rhymes. That was hard. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. But say something nice. Like, please don't say anything bad, please. Okay? I can say something nice.
I had fun. Don't forget
Yo! Sorry,
That
not you.
was
I meant
it,
them. But
right.
hi, hello. Are you alright? Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
I'll be here all night.
I won't be, because at
I'm
6
going-
p.m.